Welcome to the Hamptons. Max and I decided to visit some of our really good friends here in Montauk. We have obviously, we've lived in New York for so long and know still so many people there, and the Hamptons used to be this like getaway spot. Super popular, especially during like 4th of July weekends and things like that. But yeah, we're just gonna spend some like quality time with friends, with each other. Going to be really nice because it's all about like having balance and also taking these weekends and to do really like fun things. I was a little jet lagged, so it's already 11. I think everyone left for breakfast, but Max might be upstairs. Hold on, I'm gonna grab my phone quickly. I also don't know why I'm wearing my workout gear because I am probably, well, maybe I'm gonna work out. Yeah, I think everyone went out.
Hey,
Hey.
he's awake. Hopefully for the first avocado toast that she will ever enjoy.
Oh, you're making an avocado too?
I have to get it right at some point, right?
I don't know if you guys have seen this, but Max is also becoming a content creator and a chef. And he's been trying to make like the perfect avocado toast for me. It's really funny. You can find it on his Instagram. And I think today he's making another version. And it looks very promising. Let's go check it out. Wow. That looks very fancy. Very fancy. Alrighty. Water. First. You know what? You need to get out of his way. Look at this beauty. Wow.
This is the avocado in an egg blanket, and then this is just more of a regular avocado toast. You like it?
Love the thin bread. Eggs are good. The bread can be a little more toasted.
Ooh, that was crunchy.
Got a little mint in there.
Yeah, a little of that mint.
8 out of 10.
Yes! Alright, good.
Guys, avocado toast is really getting there. But I do feel whenever you're not filming, they actually turn out a little bit better.
Because I'm not filming, because I don't have to like worry about so many different things, you know?
This is proof that creating content and cooking at the same time, it's a master of timing and skills and everything. Shall we maybe go walk there, grab a coffee or something?
Sure. Let me just clean up.
Did I just say that? We're grabbing coffee. It would be nice to get out a little. It's a little cloudy today. Hope it's gonna clear up because today we actually, not we, but like our friends are hosting a really big barbecue in the back with tons of people. It's gonna be so much fun. We are actually going to prepare also some dessert. Like we're just making a big tray of like blondies and brownies. So I'll take you with that later. Well, that must have been the photo too.
No, that's so funny when I'm like in like a black shorts from my workout. Here.
Alrighty, we got our little coffee. We're going to take a swim in the ocean soon. Perfect spot right here. Okay, we are gonna go dip in the ocean. It's gonna be really cold, but I'm excited. Alrighty, here we go. That looks incredible.
That's so creative.
An American flag chocolate cake. Just came back from the beach and we are going to make some brownies as dessert for tonight. I will link the recipe down below. It's gonna be a little bit improvising, so hopefully they're gonna turn out well, but it'll be nice. We got our chocolate.
Yum.
This looks amazing. Ooh, this is like my favorite.
Could also put some chocolate chips in there.
More, always more. Woo! Yeah, 'cause the one.
Awesome.
There we go. Wow, look at this beauty. We got some double chocolate chip brownie.
Extra
cake.
chocolatey.
Extra chocolatey, so good. And then tonight we're going to make some whipped cream and just some ice cream with it, so it's gonna be really nice. There we go. Yum.
See you soon.
30 minutes only.
Yeah.
Well,
It's the best part.
Yeah, we don't want to work with them. They should get it.
I know everyone's gonna freak out. I'm fine. I have a strong stomach. Okay. We were gonna change. So there's a theme going on where everyone dresses like the little homes, the colors.
Oh, we're the same. But Blue House.
We're at the Blue House, I guess, because we didn't get the dress code on time. But we are kind of matchy. I kind of like it. Max has been stealing my new bucket hat now, which is from Lack of Colors, and I love it. It is so cute.
You have cute little hats like this.
Yeah, I know.
You know, we don't look like we're close to our 40s.
We're not 40s and 20s.
Not yet.
We're 30. Are
I'm
you
just-
30 or are you 31? You're 31.
I'm just this entire time I was lying to you about my age and I was actually like 40. My mom doesn't look so.
No, oh my god. Okay, so Max's mother is coming today too, which will be really fun. But yeah, she's adorable.
Okay.
Let's go up.
I don't want to go.
There we go. We're going to take a look at the brownie.
Whoa.
It looks really good. Orange. Little taste test.
Sana, what'd you make?
We made chocolate brownies. Gluten-free, dairy-free chocolate.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Zen.
A little Aperol. Oh, cheers. This is my favorite drink. Summer. Wow. This is my plate today: chicken, satay, salad, and veggies. Hello, hello. It's golden hour. Day 2 here in the Hamptons. I actually did not vlog today because my battery was dead. Then I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna enjoy the day. So I just got ready for dinner. I'm wearing this really cute set. Okay, my hair's so wet because we went into the ocean. But I'm wearing a white shirt from Philippa K and then this kind of matching set, like a skirt and a top. Really cute. I also got really burned today. And I wore so much sunscreen. I don't know, I just like don't really get tan. I get a little burns, but then that's it. It's the strangest thing ever. I just don't really get this brownie color. Even though if I tan a lot, it's crazy. Alrighty. I have my little bag. And then we're gonna go. Let me see if Max is ready. Surprisingly not. I am always ready first. Then Max is ready. Look how peaceful you look there with your little notebook. You look like out of a painting. Oh yeah, here you can see my outfit a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Very cute. The shoes I borrowed from Philippa. So
told what to do.
Oh my god, the beautiful people.
Yeah.
Do I get to show them?
There he is.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like you're driving right now. It does.
Max and Sanne vlogging together.
I know, you know that I realized it's been a while since we've done like a little travel vlog together.
2020.
Yeah, because like I don't know, I feel a lot of the trips that we've been taking, like we just haven't really been vlogging, I guess. This is really gorgeous here. I'm gonna show you. Thank you. I tripped on like my own feet.
I poured watermelon.
Okay, do I need to get the martini? Yes, of course you do. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, you should.
My Aperol's already almost finished.
I don't know. Okay.
Should I try it?